Videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose versus the pound but remained unchanged versus the yen and the euro on Monday after traders took profit ahead of key announcements which could decide whether the Fed will continue with its ultra-loose monetary policy stance or not. The greenback ended the day at 1.2974 to the euro and 101.81 to the yen. Today's data includes the New York Fed's quarterly household debt report, small business optimism, and commentary from Fed's Charles Plosser. Next to the euro. The euro rose against the pound but was unchanged versus the yen and the dollar on Monday after news that Cyprus and Greece will receive their next tranche of their bailout payments provided additional support. The single currency ended the day at 1.2974 to the dollar and 132.10 to the yen. Today's data includes German Consumer Price Index in April, which is expected to remain at the same 1.2%, and the ZEW Sentiment Survey. British pound. The pound fell on Monday as a result of political concerns over the UK's membership of the European Union following David Cameron's support for a controversial bill making a referendum on membership legally binding. Sterling ended the day at 1.5298 to the dollar and 0.8479 to the euro. Japanese yen. The yen traded unchanged against the euro and the dollar but rose versus the weaker pound on Monday as a result of a rise in the yield potential of Japanese government bonds, making them more attractive to international investors. The yen ended the day at 101.81 to the dollar and 155.75 to the pound. Today's data includes the Tertiary Industry Index, which is expected to fall by a negative 0.7% in March. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.296 with 1.306 and 1.311 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.296, which will call for a slide towards 1.293 and 1.29. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.5385 with 1.527 and 1.5215 inside. The upside penetration of 1.5385, which will call for 1.5044 and 1.5049. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 100.95 with 102 and 102.35 inside. The downside penetration of 100.95, which will call for a slide towards 100.4 and 99.65. Good luck and happy trading! Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.